Holy crap, he put a phone in a vise? This dude is crazy. Actually, I'm using this as a mount to film things. But then I thought, I have this tripod. Never use it. It's for the old camera that don't even exist anymore. So I like the phone case that has a little magnet there, or actually it's a steel plate. I need a magnet, so when looking, I bought these things. Couple bucks. Already have holes pre-drilled, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to put these in there. They're a little small, so I can use probably 3 of these, but I'm gonna need some kind of a spacer. They're really thin. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, these might not be the best quality. Try to peel one out and it already broke. Hang on. Voila. Spacers are ready. There you go. And I'm gonna put these on top. Whoa! Shoot. How did it go? Okay, this is becoming a disaster now. I broke another one, and I only got 2 more left. Can't find the third one. There were 5. Oh, crap. Oh, this sucks. I'm gonna drill some holes now. Wish me luck. Okay, got one in. Fortunately, I cannot put one magnet right next to each other. It's just too strong. It's just pushing it away. So the farthest I could do is about here. So that's when I'm gonna drill my next hole. Okie doke. And 1 to spare. Not that such a disaster at all. And here we go. Test. Okay. Oh, slides. Now why is it sliding then? It's not sliding in my car. Oh, look at that. Okay. Well, I think that works. Thanks for watching.